Okay, so this is an else if statement. So your task is to complete the function by creating an if and else if statement that will compare the input grade with a number and then return a letter grade. Your function should return the following letter grades: 90 or higher should return an A, 80 to 89 should return a B, 70 to 79 should return a C, 65 to 69 should return get a D. Anything below 65 should receive an F. So complete the if and else if statements. Define grade converter grade brackets. If grade is greater than or equal to 90, then return A. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 80, then return B. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 70, return C. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 65, then return D. And if it's none of them, then return F. So in this case, print grade converter, so it's 61, so it's an F. Print grade converter 70, so else if grade 70, return C, so it's return C. Print grade converter 92, so it's returned A. So we change the numbers, so we change that to 70, we change that to 82, and we change that to 4. Again, we return C, because it's 70, 82, else if 80 or greater than or equal to 80, return B, which will return B, 82, and number 4 is returned an F. But let's see, so 65 we'll put in there, 70 we'll put in there, and 90 I think it is, isn't it? 90 or higher. We'll go 96. Right. So A, C and D, which is right. So 96 is return A, 70 is return C, and 65 is return D. Testing, is this thing on? Yeah, you should have a fully functioning Pig Latin translator. Test your code thoroughly, be sure everything is working smoothly. You'll also want to take out any print statements that you were using to help debug intermediate steps of your code. Now, maybe a good time to add some comments to making sure your code is clean, commented, and fully functional is just as important as writing in the first place. So, PYGEOI original equals raw input, enter a word. If length of original is less than, greater than 0 and original is .alpha, bracket, word equals original dot lower, so lowercase, first equals word, 0, we'll be starting at the first index, new word equals word plus first plus pyg, new word equals first word, 1, length, new word, else print empty, enter a word. Let's crash those again. Oh, not to worry. Python is especially useful for doing math, can be used to automate many calculations. In this project we create a calculator that can compute the area of the following shapes. Circle triangle. The program should do the following. Prompt the user to select a shape, calculate the area of the shape, print the area of the shape to the user. Let's begin. Calculate the area, circles and triangles. Print area calculator is running. Option raw input, enter a C for circle or T for triangle. If option